When I met with MMDC about this and that they have their 2.0 in which they're not just offering full courses but short courses as well. Ang sinabi ko kaagad in the meeting, parang I want to take the AI one. And this one I want to tell everyone in the room. So at whatever stage we are in, the world is moving so fast, everything is changing so fast, we cannot stop learning. Adi and I were speaking earlier that during our time in school, kunyari PR ka lang. Marketing ka lang. Advertising ka lang. Now, there's no clear delineation. Marketing bleeds into PR, bleeds into advertising. For example, our friends from the media, dati gusto ko maging journalist. Basta magsulat ka lang, okay na. Alam mo na yung structure. But now, what? You're expected to take the photo, take the video, upload it, lay out, edit it. Diba parang everything is bleeding into each other. And that will only grow even more. The jobs 5 years from now don't even exist yet. And so if we do not learn more, mapapag-iwanan talaga tayo. And so for me, it's critically important, especially in the work that I do, media, na napakabilis din how things change, especially social media. We have to learn. Bonus na lang if you enjoy learning, if nerd kayo like me.